In today's video, I am going to teach you how to draw trend lines on Pepperstone. Start by logging in to your Pepperstone Trader platform. Once you are inside the platform, open the chart where you want to add the trend line. Make sure you are on the correct instrument and time frame before you begin, so the line is placed exactly where you need it. Next, look to the right side of the chart. This is where you will find the Drawing Tools toolbar. In that toolbar, select the Trend Line tool. After you click it, your cursor will be ready to place the line directly on the chart. Move your cursor to the point where you want the trend line to begin. Click once to set the starting point. Then drag the cursor across the chart toward the point where you want the trend line to end. When you reach the correct position, release the mouse button to place the trend line on the chart. After the line is on the chart, take a moment to check its placement. If it needs adjustment, you can click and drag either endpoint to change the angle or length. This helps you align the trend line more accurately with the price movement you are analyzing. If you want to move the entire trend line without changing its shape, click and drag the center of the line. This will let you reposition it anywhere on the chart while keeping the same angle. Use this if the line is close to the right level but just needs to be shifted slightly. You can repeat the same process to draw as many trend lines as you need. This is useful if you want to mark different support and resistance levels or highlight more than one trend on the same chart. Each new line can be adjusted in the same way by dragging the endpoints or the center. Once you have added all the lines you want, verify that each one is displayed correctly on the chart. Check that they match the price structure you are following and that they are easy to see. A well-placed trend line can make your chart cleaner and help you read market direction more clearly. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.